Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got killed. Now fuck the Lorax. Thank you. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Thank you, Mr. Parker, UP admin. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Personally, I consider our tree factor neighbors. Without our trees, we wouldn't be here, would we? Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. How can one be a Christian without being exclusionary? Don't be impatient. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Great be to thy good Lord, next door neighbor, the neighborhood league, for thy neighborhood, my next door neighbor, the Hollywood house. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Pop quiz, you know what the Lorax is? It's the Dr. Big character, Creep Spirit. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Trade beach with thy good Lord, next door neighbor, the neighborhood league, for thy neighborhood, my next door neighbor, the Hollywood house. My God, what's it made out of? California redwood forest? Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value that got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. Your property value got cared about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value I cares about. Fuck the Lorax. Here comes my neighbor, Steven's car. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value I cares about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value I cares about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value I cares about. Fuck the Lorax. Fuck the Lorax. Making a fool out of myself. The Steven's car smiled on that one. I don't know what kind of smile that was. A Schadenfreude type of smile, or actually finding it humorous. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value I cares about. Fuck the Lorax. Anyway, question for you, Emory University Office of the President James Wagner. Why believe in God? That's a rhetorical question. Mason Mill Civic Association, God hate faggot neighbor. There's a question mark. But during my court hearing, Judge Nellie F. Withers said, fuck the Lorax. So I'm going to use it out here. Fuck the Lorax. It's your property value got killed. Fuck the Lorax. No. Christian, how can someone be a Christian without it being an illusionary religion? What's the difference between someone who's a good Christian, someone who's a bad Christian, and someone who's not a Christian? When they need the vote and the number, it becomes decumanism. That's a dirty word. They render Christian meaningless. So take one to masturbate, two to procreate, three for anyone fuck. The definition of a conspiracy at a minimum 2 against 1. That's my definition of a conspiracy. Fuck the Lorax. If your property value got killed up, fuck the Lorax. Hit a kid while you're at it. Earn yourself some carbon credit.